Hi, today, we are going to show you how to make white background transparent on mobile phone, online, and desktop versions of Apowersoft background eraser. On a mobile phone, open the app first, and click the Remove Person Background to open the image and start removing its background. As you can see, the tool will remove the white background from the picture automatically. Just click that Save HD button to keep the image to your phone. For the online version, visit the www.apowersoft.com/remove-background-online website and click the Recognize People Only to begin uploading the photo that you want to edit. After that, click the Download button to save the transparent image to your computer. For its desktop version, open the software and click the Remove Person Background, and choose the photo that you want to upload to start removing its background. When finished, hit that Save button to save the image to your computer. And that's how to make white background transparent with the Apowersoft background eraser. Thanks for watching.